No, there's a squeak.
Okay.
There's a difference. Squeaks don't smell.
Let's hope not.
They don't.
That's not true.
Well, it's kind of in my face, so.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even see it. Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, I smell it.
You don't smell it. Squeaks don't smell.
What is up, guys? We love you. How you doing? Let us know down here. It's been a long time. Go ahead and write.
But if you need help with riding down here, we got you covered.
Let's say you're not good at riding. Well, we got some help for you. You can go to edubirdie.com. You can choose from professional riders, hundreds of them, and they're trained in all fields of study, and they're very professional, and they can help you.
These pros will help you with whatever academic assignment you may have, whether it's editing in an existing paper or starting over a new one from scratch. Riding's just really easy with Edubirdie.
Go check out Edubirdie. Also, I hope you like this video. We threw some new characters in there. Just guys that are just going to be fun to film with. Anything else, bro?
I think that's
I think I'm killing this dog right now.
Yeah. This is Layla.
This is Layla. Say hey, Layla.
Layla, look at the camera.
Layla, look. Look, there's pizza over there.
Alright, guys. Love you.
Guys, love you. Check out Edubirdie.
Damn.
That ain't real.
What?
That couldn't be real.
Smell. Call me a liar?
I believe you.
Sorry.
I'll let one here in a minute before you.
Alright. Sounds like a deal. It's only fair. My bad. I'm so sorry. That was I ate Chinese. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, they got them. Oh. Oh.
Was that fun?
Nah, my stomach just a little tore up. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all.
It's not like ours is done.
You gotta test it out, I guess.
I'm telling you, it's so hard to measure these things. You gotta find the fit.
How did that fit?
It's a little big. I don't think my tool is that wide. Oh.
Who was that?
Oh no, I think it was her. Sorry, I ate Chinese earlier.
Did you not hold it in?
Dude, you ever eat Chinese?
I have, though.
Well, try that.
You alright?
Yeah, I've been sick. Taking a lot of medicine.
Oh, man.
It's that time of year.
Yeah.
That,
Sorry about that.
no, you're alright. I'm sorry about that.
No, it's not. Sometimes you just can't help
Yeah, especially this time of year.
See, this is what I'm talking about. When you
Rock dust. Enjoy that, sir. Excuse me, sorry. No, you're good. Ooh. Excuse me, sorry.
Is that real?
Yeah.
He's perfect. He's smart.
Nope. Oh, they got the new lights on the hood. Ooh, wee. Hey, this is a nice little shirt right here. Ooh. Ooh, I'm sorry.
Damn, bro.
Ooh.
Do that right there?
Excuse me, sir. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. Tired of buying this dog food. Ooh. Ooh. I know, just like my stomach bubbling.
Stomach bone.
Mustard the biscuit. Whew.
Excuse me.
Because it's recycled. What a dumb question. Ah.
Special assistance needed at the water heater. Special assistance needed at the water.
Sorry.
She came back and checked on me.
Dang. You ever put exhaust back there? No? I do sometimes. Helps spread it out some. Ooh.
Bro,
You just gotta gotta do what you gotta do, I guess.
there's a lady right there.
I didn't mean to.
There's a bathroom up there, man.
That's where I'm headed. Oh,
Dang, bro.
did you hear that?
No.
Oh,
Dang, bro. You gonna do everything?
extreme.
Yeah, you remind me of somebody. You remind me of nobody.
Ooh. Some good deer feeder right here. Ooh. Oh. Man, my stomach hurts. Ooh.
It sound like it.
Yeah. I need to find me the bathroom.
Dang, bro.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excuse me, sir. Oh no. Oh no.